Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felipe and today we're gonna open up these two brand new Astral Radiance ETBs and I think they came out 3 years ago almost, but yeah, I hope you guys will still enjoy watching me open these two up and maybe we'll get lucky today, so we'll see about that. Here's the ETB. We've got the Astral Radiance Elite Trainer box. Here we have the backside, so we have a couple of 8 booster packs, sleeves, and some energy cards, and dices, and etc. Okay, so let's open this up. So first of all, we've got the artwork here in the middle. Looks not too bad. Oops, sorry. We have the box, of course, and this little guide. Let's see what the big hits are, the big trace cards. Oh, nice. So we've got here these two gold cards, or like gold blackish cards. They look pretty good. VMAX, and of course the support cards, the full arts. Yeah, well, I hope we get something today. Wow, we also have these gold cards here. Gold cards, the rainbow cards, they also look phenomenal. Wow, so many rainbow cards. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We've got this box, and we have like the sleeves here on that side. We've got what is this? Game card rules. Yeah, the rules on how to play this game. We don't need this here now. So yeah, let's take out the sleeves. They look pretty cool. Entry cards, of course, and the Astral Radiance sleeves. We're gonna put some hits into these sleeves if we get something good this time. And of course, we've got these separation thingies and a code card. Yep. And yeah, let's get straight into the pack. But before that, I think we also have a V-Star magnet, I think, and 2 coins. Yeah, 2 coins. Pretty cool. And I think we should also... Do we have a promo card? I think we also have a promo card, right? No? No promo card? Okay. That's interesting. No promo card. I thought there were always like promo cards in the boxes. Well, okay. Anyways, we have these 8 packs, and yeah, let's open them up. Alright, so we have these 8 packs, so let's get started. We have this first pack. Let's see if we have lucky this time. Okay, oh, white, that means maybe probably no bow or something. Actually, I shouldn't spoiler this. Here's the code card, and let's see. We get Rowlet, Quillfish, Oshawott, Hoot Toot, Pronyard, Reverse Hollow Mantine, Rapidash, and nothing. Okay, so let me save this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me do the card trick next time. We've got 4 cards here. Great. So nothing here. First pack. Let's go on to the next pack. Astral Radiance. Let's go here. Curtains. Now we have another white card. So nothing, I guess. 1, 2, 3. This. So we have energy card. Yanmega. Gape Your Bog. Magneton. Nickit. Hippopotas. Cyanaqui, Quillfish, Growlithe, and Cleavor, and Regidragon. Okay, Regidragon. Not bad. Alright, so next pack. Another white, okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so energy, Overquill, Kamado, okay. Noctool, Teddysaur, Sneasel, Misdreavus, Barboach, Scooter, and Barboach, and a Mamoswine. Okay, Mamoswine, not bad. So nothing this pack, so let's get straight to the next pack. Another white, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Energy, Crinidos, Piloline, Choi, Glamomeow, Pochiana, Sweenerve, Quillfish, Petitlill, and Bronzong. Okay, Bronzong and Regirock. Alright, so let's not open it from the front, open it from the back so we don't see the code card. How do I do this? Yeah, like this. We don't see the code card, so I think we should get like black code card this time because otherwise it won't be that cool to get like 4 in a row, nothing. Alright, so we have Ralts. We put the lights on. It's so dark. Oops. So we have Ralts, Nickit, Togepi, Chatot, Magnemite, Cyndaquil. Ooh, okay. Diaga V, original form, and that's a one silver star. Energy and three cards. Not bad at all. So this is our first hit. Just put it there. Now we have our next pack. On the front, we have Heracross, Teddiursa, Mantine, Voltorb, Masculine, Otashwa, and Miss Magwis, and the energy, and 3 other cards. Okay, nothing. Oh, doesn't look that good this time, I'd say. We still have 2 packs left. Let's start with this one. Okay, so we have Sneasel, Misdreavus, Barboach, Scooter, Eevee, Electrode, okay, not bad. Oh, okay, so we've got the Smarot V-Star, 1 silver star, and a V card, V-Star card. I don't know exactly what this should be, but yeah, we've got another hit, I'd say, and this card, I don't know if it's worth anything or no idea. Let's open our last pack. So let's go. We have black cookies. At least it's a black card, so we'll get something. Holo, I think Holo were better. So yeah, let's go. Pochina, Yanma, Driflon, Sudowoo, Combi, Yamna. I think there's another, or yeah, another one. Rampardos, and oh, nothing. Okay. I misread the card. I guess there was nothing in this. So yeah, those are the 8 packs. We've got these 2 cards basically as hits, the Samurott V-Star and the Dialga V-Star origin form. I guess that's not too crazy, but like, well, at least we got something. So yeah, this is the first box. Now for the second box, let's hope we get something better. I just checked, the 2 hits we got from the first box were like worth $5 in total, so yeah, pretty sad, I guess, but still, we're not losing hope. So this brand new ETB. Actually, pretty cool designs, like crazy how colorful everything is. We've got the sleeves, of course. Very, very beautiful, very vibrant. We have no promo card. Last time I was a little tripping. There are no promo cards for the Astral Radiance. My bad. But we of course have the packs. 8 packs. I forgot to mention the Cherry Bright dices with the glitzer, like pretty decent dices. My favorite part is of course the sleeves, because they're just like, they're crazy good. And of course the guide and the poison stuff, yeah, that is irrelevant. So let's start with the sleeve. We have 8 in total. We should have 8. And let's start with the first one. So we're not looking at the code card because we don't want to get spoilered if we get something good or bad. So let's, or do we? Let's not. So we have Togepi, Chatot, Magnemite, Teddiursa, Sneasel. Ooh, okay, this is Holo Reversed Ponyta and Overquill. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That is amazing artwork. And energy. Okay, so we have these 3 cards. Nothing in the first pack. White. On to the next. Way more organized than last time, I guess. Organized. Okay, so now on to the next pack. We have Bluetooth, Kikatot, Sudowoodo, Combi, Drifloon. Ooh, okay, we have oh, that's even a Silver Star that I didn't even realize. Ooh. Crazy patterns. We have a Silver Star Radiant Heatran, Wurzula, and I think that's it. Good, I think that's a hit. We can count that as a hit, right? So that is a Silver Star. Got this here. Great, the first hit. On to the next one. Hopefully we get something really cool, like a rainbow or like a gold card. That would also be amazing. So we have Drifloon, Sudowoodo, Combi, Ralts, Nickit, Miss Magwis, and reverse. Oh, we have a card, we have another card. Okay, so we have another Devil normal. Okay, and that's all. Unreal Wait and See Turbo. Yeah, that is it. We don't have anything. We still have 5 packs left. I guess we still have decent chances to get something really nice. I can feel that we're getting something at least. Ooh, it's black. It's black. It is a black code card, so this is a good sign. Rowlet, Oshawott, Skyther, Stantler, Yanma, Gruelith, okay. Cool thing is that every time I turn this around, I always get like black. And oh, okay, so we have Keldeo. That's Rainbow Shiny is actually awesome. Oh, okay, V-Star. That is also cool. Now we have these cards, code card of course. So nothing like extraordinary, I guess. This will still count as something cool, and yeah. Let's move on to the 4 packs we've got left. Tooth, Pochiena, Pawniard, the Yanma, okay. Ooh, Kick Tot. Still so thick, like maybe we'll get something. Look. Oh, it's still white. Okay. Never mind. Rapidash, and that's it. Oh yeah, because of these 3 cards, yeah. Oh well, I guess we're not pulling anything good this time. We still have 3 packs left though. Me. Black. Oh. Wait, what? That's not possible. Where's the code card? Wait, what? Okay. Well, anyways, Burmike, Rufflet, Ponyata. Wait, where is the code card? Like, there is no code card in the pack. Is that normal? Okay, anyways. Chatot, Bronzor. Ooh, okay, wait and see Turbo. And, ooh, nice. We've got a Liliagant V. That's pretty cool, I guess. And these 3 cards. I swear, there was no code card. Is that normal? I don't think so. That's weird. Okay, anyways, that is our second hit. And to our almost last pack. Oh, white. So let's just put the first 4 cards in front. We have Energy, Heavy Ball, Hippo Wad, Dark Patch, cool. Razor, Rufflet, Quidfish, Rollet, Quillfish, and Psyduck. Cool. Nice pattern we have here. And now we are already on our last pack. Well, maybe we'll get a last pack magic. That would be awesome. So let's go. So no spoilers, or yeah, no spoilers. We have Nickit, Hippopotamus, Duckquill, Quillfish, okay, brothers, Growlithe, Togetic, Tick, sorry, Vespiquen, and that's it. So I guess nothing this time again. Yeah, so this time we have 2 hits only, like the last box, and a V-Star. Yeah, I mean, well, probably this Astral Radiance doesn't have like the best hit rates, but yeah, at least we know now, right? So, thanks for watching.